Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to make your PlayStation 5 internet faster. Let's go. Open Settings, Network, Settings. Set up internet connection. Choose your network. Options. We set the settings as I have. IP address settings automatic. DNS settings automatic. Or try to set DNS to Google. Proxy server don't use. Turn off and turn on connect to the internet. If it does not help, then try changing the frequency on the router from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. And the best way is to use the Ethernet connection, but this method is not suitable for everyone. That's it. Now you know how to make your PlayStation 5 internet faster. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.